This tech tip will show you the basics of replacing an igniter. The procedure applies to igniters with either 1 or 2 high voltage cords. If you received a new high voltage cord, you can skip to the part where the high voltage cord is inserted into the new igniter. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the igniter from the unit, sharp wire cutters, and of course, the new igniter. Remove the igniter from its mounting plate if applicable. Cut the high voltage cord off as close to the old igniter as possible. Of course, my cutters are not as sharp as I thought. You should be left with a clean cut and the inner core of the cord should be visible. Grab the new igniter. Make note of the metal contact pin inside the new igniter. The core of the high voltage cord should end up making a solid contact with it. Push the high voltage cord into the igniter, twisting back and forth a bit if needed until the cord is fully seated and does not go in any further. You may add a few drops of superglue to further secure the cord if you want. Now route the cord and reinstall the igniter back into the bracket. The screw ensures the igniter is grounded to the unit. Once finished, reinstall the assembly back into the heater. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this helpful.